Hala. Shanta is home. Shanta! Umuwi ka na!
I'm all sweaty!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Ako po si Dwaine Wooly!
Ako si Shanta!
Kami po ay mag-asawa. Kinasal na po kami doon sa Cebu noong March 10, 2017. Di ba, bebe?
Yes.
Asawa na tayo.
Oo, mag-asawa na tayo.
This time, Shanta is not standing on a box. I am just crouching down. So welcome to another episode of Dear Dwanta.
Dear Dwanta is a video we do every month where you can request anything you want us to do.
Ayan. So you might remember last month's video where we did the No Arms Challenge.
Kakain po ako ngayon ng cereal.
Hi, what's up everybody?
The What's in My Mouth Challenge.
All that good stuff. So this month we have had a few requests from the last video we did.
Dear Dwanta, gusto ko marinig ang boses niyo. Kumanta lalo na si Mrs. Wooly.
Wow, Mrs. Wooly. Dear Dwanta, can you please sing a song for me? Thank you.
Dear Dwanta, do a duet together. I love music so much and I love you guys.
Wow. Alright, looks like we got plenty of requests for a duet, baby.
Yes.
Kanta na tayo.
Sige, ikaw, kumanta ka
Yun.
na.
Ready? I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling on an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000
Hold your breath, it
things to
gets
see.
better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise.
With new horizons
Every
to
moment gets
pursue.
better.
I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world. That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling chase.
Wondrous place.
You and me. Dear Dwanta, do the switch clothes challenge. Looks like I got a surprise para sa mga kabaklahan.
Don't do this, baby. Do that. Yeah. So good. More on pa inside. Yes, that's perfect. Let's do that.
I've never. It doesn't come with a bag. I feel so manly.
Sure, that's because put it on the crook of your arm like this.
I can't. I feel like if I tense, then this shirt
No,
is gonna rip.
just. Ako'y isang sirena.
Tingnan mo ang pearls ko, ang ganda. I can't believe you wear stuff like this. I feel so
Talikod.
exposed. So this is what it's like to be Caitlyn Jenner.
Holy crap.
Oh, pre. Ang lakad natin, pre. Akala ko ba lilibre niyo ako, pre?
Check out my LV bag. I'm so shy.
Pre, basketball na tayo, pre. Dali na, late na tayo, pare. Late na tayo.
This is just annoying, like all this stuff is dangling off me. And then like when you sit down you have to be like
Basketball tayo, pre. Like this.
a whole new world.
Ew, no, my clothes will smell.
At least you don't look as ridiculous as I did. Do you like those clothes, Shanta?
Yes, I look good.
What?
Hoy, bakla! Tara, maglalaki na tayo. Let's go. Dear Dwanta, can you do a challenge accepted, please? I will challenge you.
Oh, okay, so challenge accepted basically means
I don't
you
know.
choose a challenge?
Maybe I will challenge you to do something.
Sige na nga. Okay, anong ipapagawa mo sa akin?
I want you to do the flexibility challenge.
That's not stretching.
Joke lang. Sige na, done.
How low can you go? Not flexible.
Uy! Okay, put it down, nanay. Put it down, nanay. Then, kaptididi. Then, slowly. Let's put it down. And put it up. Like this.
How do you balance like that?
Sige, Mas. Sige na, tapos we will. Oh, and first down is front like this, and then second we open it.
Okay, ready?
Okay, okay, up. Okay, back to back kita.
Back to back.
Uy,
Back to back daw. Wait, one more time. Let's do it.
Just about two.
Wait, okay, there.
You're pushing me
Okay.
wrong.
2, 3, 5. Ang sakit.
You
Aray.
have to move like this, and then I got to move
Okay,
like
ready? Ready? Go.
Pull me, Anay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then
Oh, aray.
I'm going.
Ang sakit. Good. Pull.
I can touch me. Down.
That one. Leg. Thanks for watching, everybody. Look, they can't see each other. You have to.
Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm like your daughter.
Remember, if you have something that you want us to do, type in the comments of this video or any other video,
Just type-
Dear Dwanta, and then
Just
your
type
challenge.
Dear Dwanta.
Tama. Ulit-ulit ka man.
Nariwari mo sige dapat. Salamat sa mga nanonood ng videos namin at saka nagla-like at saka nag-share.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel.
And to my channel too.
Ah, yeah. My
Nag-subscribe.
channel too.
Sa mga walang silbing videos ko. Asahan ko yung subscriptions nyo. Kaya kumakanta po ako doon, saka wala lang.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!